Hey guys, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a tag video. This is a tag that I created with two of my best friends, Rawan from the Disney Damsels and Erika Deocampo of Erika Deocampo. We decided to get together and do a Disney ornament tag, just answering a few questions about some of our favorite Disney ornaments. If you guys are interested in my complete Disney ornament collection, I did do a video on this last Christmas time, so I'll have that linked in the description box below, as well as Erika's video and Rawan's video linked in the description box below. If you guys love Disney ornaments, then this is the video for you because we all three have very different collections, but very full collections. I'm really excited to share these with you guys. I am going to share with you a few new ones that are not in my full collection video from last year because I just got them this year. But I'm really excited, so let's just go ahead and jump into the questions. For this video, I'm actually going to be doing a voiceover and showing you the zoom in of the ornament because obviously I want you to see all of the beautiful detail in each ornament. So for Most Sentimental ornament, I do have more than one. The first one is Calla's First Christmas ornament, which is this little silver Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. And it says Baby's First Christmas down on the bottom, kind of like he's a rocking horse. And then for Daylin, we got her this little Dumbo and Mrs. Jumbo ornament. I made both of my girls their own lullabies before they were born, and I set Daylin's to the tune of Baby of Mine, so Dumbo has a very special place in my heart. So when I saw this ornament, I had to get it for her first Christmas. For most sparkly ornament or ornament with the most glitter, I'm going with this Elsa one. This is from the Olaf's Frozen Christmas special that they did. But the back of her cape, I don't even think my camera is going to capture this. It is so much glitter, and it's that micro fine glitter, so it really sparkles on the tree. For most creative ornament, I'm showing you guys the one that we got Calla this year. She did pick this out for herself, and it is so cool. I'm gonna have to show it to you guys, but basically it plays music and then this little mirror kind of spins around and it shows Cinderella transforming from the pink dress into her magical blue dress. For ornament that makes me smile, I am going with this one that my husband got me last year. It is the Up House, and it is so detailed and it is so perfectly correct, I guess, to how it looks in the movie. It just makes me so happy and it looks beautiful on the tree. For the ornament that gives me all the Christmas vibes, I'm going with this one that my friend Natalie got for me on her trip to Disney World. It is a glass ornament and it has glitter snowflakes on it and some snow on the top, and then inside it has Mickey and Minnie and the castle in a little pile of snow, and if that is not Christmas, I don't know what is. So I had a really hard time picking favorite ornament and I ended up going with this one. This is Ariel riding on like a little seahorse. It is very beautiful, and the reason I'm going with this one as my favorite is because this is one of the very first ornaments, I think the first ornament that my husband ever bought for me. It was very early on in our relationship and she still looks just as beautiful as the day he got her for me, and I don't know, it just reminds me of our relationship and how long we've been together and how he nurtures my love of Disney. Next, for an ornament that you're going to pass on to your girls, I actually have two because I have two girls, or it's pass on to your children, but I have two girls. For Calla, I am going to give her this really beautiful Ariel ornament. It does play music, which I'm going to show you guys in a minute, and it is her in her grotto, which could not be more perfect because that is actually how her bedroom is themed. It is Ariel's grotto themed. And then for Daylin, I do have this Rapunzel one that also plays music. It is really cute.
but I am kind of on the hunt for a little bit of a nicer one. This one I'm hoping just needs some new batteries in it, but you guys will hear it in a second. The sound quality is just not as good as the Ariel one, even though they're both from the Disney store. But I do love that she's holding her little guitar and Pascal is sitting on top of her head. It is very cute.
That's not good.
So next is an ornament that I've had to fix, and this one is so cute. It is the little glass slipper with Jaka and Gus in it, and Gus unfortunately has broken off multiple times. I do think I have finally fixed him with a combination of hot glue and E6000 and super glue. So next is favorite ornament that makes sound, and I actually have two. The first one is this really cool genie ornament that my husband got me a couple years ago, and I'm going to show you guys what he says.
Boy, 10,000 years will give you such a crick in the neck.
And the next one that makes sound is this Edna one that my husband also got me, and she cracks me up.
Words are useless. Gobble, 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 gobble.
So this next one is your favorite ornament that lights up and makes sound, and I will tell you guys this is probably my favorite ornament overall, and you will see why when I press this button. Next is an ornament that you received in a swap, and I got this really sweet one from the Leffersons. I did do an unboxing of this that I will have linked above and below, but it's basically just a Mickey hat of the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, which is one of my favorite rides of all time, and this ornament is precious. Next is an ornament that your kids won't leave alone, and it is for sure this little bell that Chip and Dale are sitting on. The bell looks like an acorn, and it's really, really cute. It's also really loud when Calla plays with it. And for the last question of this tag, it is your heaviest ornament, which might be the little Belle one that I just showed you guys, but this is definitely one with some weight to it. It is Belle sitting on the fountain reading her book with the little sheep next to her. This one does play music, but the batteries are dead, so I'm sorry guys, I can't show it to you with the sound.
So that does it for this tag, guys. I hope you liked it. Please leave a comment for me below of which ornament was your favorite, because I am very, very curious. And also tell me what ornament you have that is your favorite at home. Is it sentimental? Does it do something really cool? Is it both? Is it from a specific trip or something like that? But I absolutely want to hear that. So please leave it for me in the comment box below. And make sure you go check out Rawan and Erika's videos, because I know that they have some gorgeous ornaments to show off. I will see you guys tomorrow for my next video in Vlogmas. Bye guys.